Okay, I've been having some problems installing and configuring Java, and I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to try to use an alternative instead. So now I've got VS Code installed. As you know, I've also installed Git for Windows, which also gives us Bash, and now that is our default for the terminal. So the last thing that I have to do to set up this development environment is to go to extensions and add the extensions that we need. So if I go into idmx225.netlify.com, I should find our blog. Go into Docs, scroll all the way down, find Visual Studio Code extensions, and start installing those. Now you notice it's the W3C validation that requires Java to be installed. And what I have found to use instead is something called HTML hint by Mike Kaufman. So when I get to that, I'm not going to install the validation. Instead, I'm going to install HTML hint. So I'm going to put these side by side and start doing my extension installs. First one is live server. I also can install live share at the same time. We might actually be using live share. Live share is to allow for remote collaboration, and I had thought about testing that out earlier. Of course, I never did, but now things have changed. So I've got those two installed. Beautifier, there we go, Beautify. Then I've got Prettier. Live share just ended up getting completely installed. So I have Prettier installed. Bracket pair, colorizer, better comments. Oops. Better comments. Let me hit the reload on that. So I have these so far, so I'm in good shape. So I'm going to jump over W3C and come down here and get HTML hint. It's the first one by Mike Kaufman. So it works in a very similar way, looking for errors and showing us what those errors are. So we'll see how that goes. I'll do SVG, language, support, and then my last one is winter is coming. And I want to make that light. No italics. Or actually just light. So there we go. It went into full screen. I didn't want to be. Okay, so there we are. We can come to over here, click on this and show installed. And these are the ones that I have. Beautify, Better Comments by Aaron Bond, Bracket Pair Colorizer, HTML Hint, Live Server, Live Share, Prettier, SVG language support, and Winter is Coming. So that's it. In the next video, I'm actually going to clone Project 5 and make sure that that's all working.